A conversation about the weather.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you today?
Not so bad. Thanks. And you?
I'm good. Apart from all this rain. It's chucking down again.
Yes, it's awful. Isn't it? And it is very cold.
The weather forecast said it will brighten up after lunch.
They always say that. Still, I can't complain, it's a lot warmer than back home.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
What's the weather like in Russia now?
Freezing, cold, and snowing.
Right. So this must be like summer for you.
Right. But I do like the snow. Sometimes.